Good morning, my dear students. Let us learn EVS. Kindly take your textbook, page number 232 and 233. Page number 232 and 233. Lesson number 7. Safety and first aid. Safety and first aid. Dear students, what do you mean by safety? Safety means to be safe from any harm. Safety means to be safe from any harm. It is important for all of us to be safe, isn't it? It is very important for all of us to be safe. We may hurt ourselves or others by being careless. We may hurt ourselves or others by being careless. Dear students, remember, carelessness may cause accidents. Carelessness may cause accidents. We can prevent accidents by following some safety rules. We can prevent accidents by following some safety rules. Safety rules. Safety rules are made for our safety. Safety rules are made for our safety. We should follow safety rules everywhere, whether on the road, at home, at school, while we play. Dear students, we should follow safety rules everywhere, whether on the road, at home, at school, while we play. Okay? On the road. Always walk on the footpath. Always we have to walk on the footpath. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Always we have to cross the road at the zebra crossing. Do not play on the road. Do not play on the road. Always walk on the right side of the road. Cross the road only when the light is green. Remember, always we have to cross the road only when the light is green. Do not touch hot vessels. Do not touch hot vessels. Why? It may burn your hands. Do not tease animals or hurt them. Be kind to them. Dear students, always we have to be kind to the animals. At home. Do not leave your toys on the floor. Do not leave your toys on the floor. Do not play with matchsticks. Do not play with matchsticks. Do not play with sharp things like blade, knife, scissors, etc. Why? Because it may harm us. Do not touch switches, plugs, sockets or electric wires. Do not burst crackers inside the house. It causes a fire. It can cause a fire. Do not touch hot vessels. It may burn your hands. Do not touch hot vessels. It may burn your hands. Do not tease animals or hurt them. Be kind to them. Safety while playing. We all play games, isn't it? We all play games. We should not hurt others while playing. Remember, we should not hurt others while playing. We must follow some safety rules to play safely. We must follow some safety rules to play safely. Do not play on roads. Do not play on roads. Always play in the playgrounds and parks. Always play in the playgrounds and parks. Do not push each other while playing. Do not push each other while playing. Do not go alone for swimming. Do not push anybody into the water. First aid. The immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives is called first aid. Dear students, what is first aid? The immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives is called first aid. When we get hurt, it always better to call an elderly person. When we get hurt, it is always better to call an elderly person. They will help us. They may call a doctor if necessary. Dear students, hope you understood something. For your homework, please read whole chapter very carefully and try to understand it better. Okay? Thank you, dear students.